Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today I have a Ju-Ju-Be review and packing video to share with you. This is their latest collaboration with Tokidoki called Camp Toki, and today I'm going to be featuring 3 different bags that I've never shown here on my channel. The Mini BFF, the Mini BRB, and the Freedom Fanny. I'm going to go ahead and pack all these up and walk you through the styles. Okay, so like I said, I have 3 different mini bags here from Ju-Ju-Be, and I was really excited when I got my box and saw these in there because these are styles that I have not yet had my hands on. I've never actually seen any of these mini bags in person, so I thought it was really exciting to finally get them and to see different print placements. Tokidoki is always so fun to kind of match up your favorite print placements and all of that. But today, like I said, I have the Camp Toki print that is launching here in just a couple of days, and I've gone ahead and packed up this Mini BRB with just things for myself. So a day out by myself, like no kids, there's nothing kid related in here. It's only like a mini bag for mom. And what I figure that I'm gonna be using these most for is A, just by themselves, and also something smaller to throw inside bigger bags. Like if you're carrying a B Light or a Super B or even a BFF or BRB like regular size, you can easily throw these inside those bigger bags and use them as mini clutches, if you will, kind of mini mom bags to pull out of your big bags. And that way all of your stuff that you need is like really compact and in a really cute spot. And then of course these make super adorable bags for kids. My daughter is already gravitating towards this BFF, and kids of all ages can wear them. She's 8, but my 5-year-old has tried it on and it looks great. So they can really be used for a ton of different things. So let's go ahead and get right in. I'm gonna unpack, like I said, this BRB first so that I can really show you what I have here inside, and then I'm gonna put the same exact items inside both of the other 2 bags so you can see how they compare. So this here is the Mini Be Right Back, or BRB. On the back side here you have 2 straps that make this a backpack. They are not removable, so they're here like stationary on the bag. You have a really cute Ju-Ju-Be star and nice padding back here, and then of course the straps can be adjusted to a really long or really short length. I think any shape or body type would do well with all these bags actually, because I think that the length is really generous on there. So like super tall people and super short, I think would be totally fine with these bags. So that's what's going on here on the back. On the side of the bag, you don't have any type of pockets or anything like that. It's just straight on both sides. And then at the very, very top, you have an awesome, cute little grab handle with 2 D-rings here on the side. So I just have over here attached my keys. This is a keychain made by Packed Party. You guys asked me about that one a lot. It has like a little USB kind of charging port here on the side. I just love it because it's been matching like everything that I've been using with all like the fun colors. So I have that clipped there to the side. And then here on the front, you have 1 small little flap pocket and then a metal Ju-Ju-Be Tokidoki logo. When you put that flap up, I just have in here a mini kind bar. These things are awesome. I know you guys have seen like regular kind bars in a lot of my bags. It's one of my like favorite snack for my husband and I. My daughter like tends to like them, but not really my 2 boys. But these are mini kind bars, so it's perfect for just like a quick snack when you don't really want like a whole granola bar. So I have that down in there. And then right behind it, you have the traditional, what is the mommy pocket in the regular BRB bags. And in here, I just have my wallet. This is a Dutch's Be Charged that I love to carry whenever I need a small compact wallet, and that fits perfectly in there. There's no mesh pockets or elastics or anything fancy. It's just like a flat open pocket there. Then directly behind that, which would typically be the cell phone pocket in a regular size BRB, I actually have my cell phone. It's not felt lined or anything like that. It's just a big pocket that goes pretty much the whole like front length down here in the bag. I have a regular iPhone X or 10 or I don't know what they're called. I think it's like the iPhone X, but it's not the big plus size that's thicker. I do think that it might still fit in that pocket if you have a plus size phone, not 100%. But that's what I have in there. It fits perfect, especially because you do have a little bit extra give up here in the top if you like loop that over whatever it is that you're putting in there. I did also have my Be Charged in there, and that's a great pocket for that as well. So then on to the main bulk of the bag here. The zipper zips all the way around, just again like the traditional BRB, and opens up flat. And in here, I just have a pen. I also have a small set piece in the Camp Toki print. I actually like really love my print placement on this one because I just think this guy is super cute. Don't know his name or anything, but I just like that little scene. So I was excited about this. But inside the small set piece, I have all of my like small essentials. And this is kind of what I typically keep in a small set piece. In some of my packing videos, you might have seen it, but I never really go through it because I'm trying to make the videos a little quicker for y'all. But I have a nail file in here, a hair tie, an NYX lip butter. I also have just a little mirror, my pill case, which goes with me everywhere. And then I also have a eye drops and some wipes for my eyeglasses or sunglasses. You can also use them on electronics. And then I have a mint condition lip balm. This is a Perfectly Posh lip balm and it's awesome. I love it, love it, love it. It's like a menthol kind of minty one. And then I just have one of those small tampons tucked in there. So that's everything I keep inside the small set piece. Like I said, it's like my little essentials case for mommy type needs, if you will. So that's everything I have in there. I won't open it up for the other two bags. I just wanted to make sure to show you what was in there. And then I have a hand cream. This is like a, I got it at Target at Soap and Glory, but it's so yummy. I like this one a lot. And I also have a Honest Company hand sanitizer spray. And then I just have a small notebook, a pack of tissues, and then a thing of wet ones. So that is everything that I have inside this BRB. I'm gonna go ahead and move it and then repack the other two to show you how it fits inside there. All right, let's get into the BFF next. There's multiple ways that you can carry this bag, just like the traditional bag. You have a grab handle here at the top, and then on the back of the bag, you have one long strap that's really generous in length, again, just like the BRB. You have a loop here at the top that you can loop it through and attach it here at the bottom so that you can carry this bag backpack style. If you didn't want to wear it backpack style, you could unhook it here and attach it over here on the side ring so that you can carry it over your shoulder or crossbody or on a stroller, however you want to carry it. And then it sits up just super cute and structured. The bottom's kind of structured down here at the bottom. No feet or anything and no pockets here. Oh, I'm sorry, there is a pocket. I didn't know there was a pocket back here. Oh, that changes everything, how I was thinking about packing it up. Yeah, so you have a pocket here on the back of the bag, but no, yeah, I had to check, no side bottle pockets on this one. And then in the front, you have one little pocket and then of course your big main compartment. So let's go ahead and kind of pack this one up with the same stuff I had in the BRB. I'm gonna go ahead and put the wet ones here in the awesome back pocket since I didn't even know it was there. This would be a perfect one for wipes and tissues or what have you, but I'm just gonna go ahead and stick the wipes back there for now. I also think, let me rephrase. I'm gonna go ahead and put my cell phone back there instead of the wet wipes because I grabbed for that the most and it's a perfect like external pocket, especially because the majority of the time I'm gonna be having this crossbody or over the shoulder and this would be the part that's on my body. So that's what I'm gonna put back there in that back pocket. Here in the front of the bag, this little zipper, I'm gonna go ahead and put the Be Charged because I think that's a perfect little spot for that. And then it leaves extra room for receipts or little things that you need to throw in there, maybe even like a pack of gum. And then on the main compartment, I'm gonna go ahead and put everything else. Opening up this mini BFF, oh, I had another hand sanitizer from earlier in there. But inside this mini BFF, it's just one big cavity. You don't have any pockets or anything like that in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the wet ones back there. I'm gonna put the tissues and my little notebook, the small set piece, and there's still tons of room in there. The hand cream can go here tucked on the side, and then the hand sanitizer can also go tucked here on the side. On the same side, you can even put it over there. And then I just have my little granola bar, put there on top, and then a pen, and you're good to go. It all fits in there perfectly. Zip it up, and then over here on the side, of course, I have my keys, or you could do your sunglasses or whatever, just looped here on the side. So that's how everything fits inside that BFF there. All right, moving on into this Freedom Fanny. Check out this print placement. I was so excited when I saw it because Donatella, of course, is like one of my favorites, and I love everything that's around her. I love like this little Toki Pops guy, and how cute is the tent. I'm not very good at the character names at all, but I of course recognize them all. The Kaiju down there, I do know him. But I love this print placement. I don't think it could be any more perfect with the trees there in the back and then just kind of like the scene of everybody there. Anyways, so that's the Freedom Fanny as far as the front. There's no pockets, nothing going on there. You do have a metal plate on just kind of the center, just like all the other ones. On the side of the bag, you don't have any pockets, no grab handle here in the top. You just have one zipper that goes the whole way around and then a slit pocket here in the back. Of the inside. Then on the back of the bag here, you have two metal D-rings that you can easily move the strap to carry it like on a stroller. You can carry it over your shoulder, you can carry it crossbody, and then of course you can wear it as a belt bag and loop this through your belt. And the D-rings are here on the back so that it's not kind of awkward as far as being a fanny pack. It will just sit right there kind of on your belt loop, and it's perfect. Such a good theme park bag. If you're running around and need to be completely hands-free and don't need a whole ton of stuff, this is a super cute option. So let me pack everything inside. I think this back pocket here, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my cell phone just so I know exactly where it is. And it's easy to grab there on the back of the bag. And then I'm just gonna slip everything else inside. This to me, I actually haven't packed up yet. It feels like a little bit tighter of a fit than the other bags, which is surprising because I actually thought that this one was going to be the easiest to pack out of all of them, but it's definitely like a tighter fit if you have your cell phone in there. Like I don't even have my Be Charged or that small set piece in there, and it's a pretty like bulky tight fit. So let me see if I can fit all the same stuff in here, but I'm not sure that I can. I mean, definitely adding in that small set piece, like it's not gonna work. So what I would probably do is take the cell phone out, because 9 times out of 10 it's in my back pocket anyways, if we're being like real here. So I'm gonna go ahead, take the cell phone out, and now see what kind of room I have. Maybe put the wipes or the wet ones back there. I still have tissues and the notebook there. I'm gonna slide in my small set piece, still a little bit tight of a fit. And then I have my Be Charged. I'm just gonna kind of slip in there. Hopefully it'll fit. Leave a little room on the side for hand sanitizer and hand cream. And then yeah, it's all in there pretty good. But I mean, it's a tight fit. I have my little granola bar here on top and my pen. So for sure, this is gonna be, like I did not think, a tighter fit compared to the other two. You can definitely do it and it's not busting the zipper. I don't feel like it's stressing on it or anything like that. But I would probably condense just a little bit more when I'm carrying it. But like I said, you can fit it all for sure. And then my keys, I guess I would probably still put them here, but if I'm wearing it as a belt bag, I might not want that like attached because I'm gonna want it slimline on my body. So I would very likely just take my car key off, leave these in the car, and then stick that in my bag too. So that's how they all compare. I'm actually surprised considering I hadn't packed that one up and I thought it was gonna be the easiest out of all 3 of them. I'll go ahead and show some pictures, kind of comparison, still shots over on Instagram, so you guys could check those out if you want to see more side-by-sides. There are a couple content creators that have already done that, so just make sure you're checking their pages and then you could kind of see some more side-by-sides. But I think this gives you a really good idea as to what will fit inside each one of these. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I'm always happy to help if you have a question about if something will fit, things like that. Always happy to kind of talk it out with y'all. So I hope you're having a great day and I will talk to you on my next video.